Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. Today, I noticed that a new public key has appeared in my desktop Pi2Day application. What does this mean? I searched the internet for an answer, and based on several websites I visited, I now understand what this is about. The recent appearance of the public key in the Pi Network's desktop Node application is part of the updates introduced during the Pi2Day 2025 event. Here's what it means and the latest news about it. Purpose of the public key in the Pi2Day application. Node identification and verification. The public key displayed in the Pi2Day application serves as a unique identifier for each user's node. It helps verify and authenticate the node's contributions to the Pi blockchain network. Enhanced security. The public key plays a critical role in securing the network by enabling cryptographic verification of transactions and participation in the consensus process. This ensures that only verified nodes contribute to the blockchain. Upcoming features. This update is also tied to future enhancements in the Pi ecosystem. For instance, it may be used for integrating decentralized applications, or dApps, or enabling smoother communication between nodes and the blockchain. Latest updates from Pi2Day 2025. The Pi2Day 2025 event, held on June 28, 2025, introduced several key updates. AI integration. Pi Network announced plans to leverage AI to scale and improve the network. This includes optimizing the KYC process and enhancing node functionality. Improved user experience. The desktop application now features a resizable window, making it more user-friendly. Market impact. Despite these updates, Picoin's price experienced some volatility, dropping by 16% due to market conditions and external factors. So what does this mean for users? The public key is primarily for network-level operations and security. Users don't need to take any action unless explicitly instructed by the Pi Network team. If you're running a node, the public key ensures your node is recognized and can participate in the blockchain's consensus mechanism. For more details, you can refer to the official Pi Network blog and other sources. The link is in the description below. Let's keep mining and hope for a bright future ahead. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.